I'm literally in heaven right now.
Annie is a bad influence.
Good morning, everyone, or should I say good afternoon at this point? It's now 2 p.m. and I haven't done anything, so I decided just to go to Family Mart. G-Wagon. I decided to extend my flight by 4 more days. Don't have the car yet. Hopefully we'll get it today, hopefully we'll get it tomorrow, but extending the flight allows me to be able to drive it a lot longer, so sounds good to me. Any days I can stay in Japan, any excuses I'll take them. All right, so we're now at Shibuya Station, which is right over there. This right here is Shibuya Crossing, so you can kind of tell it looks like baby New York in a way. So we're gonna go ahead and take this 40-minute train ride all the way to Super Rajikon over in like Tomei City, I believe it's called. There's a bunch of diecast and RC car shops in that area, so I think I'm literally just gonna spend the rest of the day there. All right, so we're currently in Shibuya and we are going to Suerocho. All right, so we're officially in Akihabara. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's also known as Electric City or Electric Town, right next to Taito City. And this is where all the RC cars and diecast stores are. This is where basically everything that I want to check out really is. So we're headed over to Super Rajikon. That's where all the off-road and drift cars are. And they basically have everything, all the parts that you need for any of the RC cars. So super excited. And I think Johnny Grunwald will actually go and join us there. He's gonna take a taxi over because he also wants RC cars. I honestly have way too much fun by myself. But anyways, we have about a 10-minute walk to the RC shop, so let's just enjoy all the scenery. All right, so the shop should be just right up this corner here. I think I see it already. The way that I just fumbled the bag, it's literally on the opposite side, so we have to go all the way back to that traffic light and then go all the way over. So, you know, some people are just not navigationally inclined, and that's me. I rely on Google Maps, and even then, I still can't get around with Google Maps. So, honestly, like, prepare, if you're visiting Tokyo, prepare to have at least 30,000 steps a day, and prepare for you to wake up and have your calves burn every morning. Y'all, we finally made it. We are here! Y'all, there is so much stuff here. RC cars and RC cars, parts on parts. Mark 5 Supra, ready to drift? Say less. All right, anyways, let's look around and see what we got. So we have some off-roaders. We have a bunch of off-roaders, actually. Mark 5 Supra. Again, this is a GR version. I think this is what we're gonna end up going with. So this is 22,946 yen. Let's go ahead and quickly convert that, which comes out to $145. That is so cheap. Like, actually, that is so cheap. All right, let's keep looking around at some other brands. So I think HIP is like the most popular brand here for RC cars, at least. These are so cool. There's a Supra GTR. I'm literally in heaven right now. I'm literally in heaven right now. This is what I wanted. Guys, look at these. Look at that. Oh my god, look at all these suspension parts. So this is how customizable RC cars are. You can literally adjust coilovers, adjust sway bars, adjust control arms. It's crazy. It is literally like basically working on a real car. And all these are parts.
How many do you think there are?
10.
I'm so freaking out right now. Look at all these little parts that you can get for RC cars. You can have like this is the rear lower arm, and it's carbon fiber. What even? These are so crazy. Like, finding individual parts must be insane. Like, I haven't really gotten into like modifying them and such and like working on them, because this is like my entry into the RC car world. I'm honestly just super excited because there's an RC track that's 20 minutes from my house, and it has an off-road track, a drift track, and a circuit track. Plus they host events there, and it's really awesome. That's cool. Jaguar's rally car, this would be insane. All right, I guess let's keep going. So there's like mini RC car bodies right here. So what do they have? They have McLaren P1 GTR. Stop, these are insane. So the S13, do they have an S14? Do they have an S14? Do they have an S14? Not that I can see, but there's so many options. It's actually crazy. The Skyline GTR. So I believe these ones kind of will turn out into one of these bad boys, which honestly looks super cool. It's a Subaru. They have a GTR right here. They have the remote controllers, which honestly, I think these are super cheap. Oh, nope. Those are like $300. Like, look at these shocks. These are so adjustable. It's crazy. This is like aisles upon aisles upon aisles in just this store. Like, what am I gonna do? Where? How is my bank account going to survive this? Got some wheels for the SUV, some tires. These are some These are some beefy off-road RC car tires. If I can find a set of TE37s, I will simply enjoy the rest of my life. So I think for this store at least, I'm only going to get a drift car, and I think I'm just going to go with that GR Supra, the Pandem one that I saw, because you know, mine has to have a body kit. We can't have that stock body. They also have like planes as well, and I bet they also have trains. Bunch of wiring. Y'all know how much I love wiring. Okay, that made me sound like a nerd. So this is literally what I want to launch a rally car. All right, so right over here are a few chassis that we can get. So let's take a closer look. These are all Tamiya. These are aluminum suspensions, aluminum upper arm mount, dedicated colors. So all the blue parts that you see are all actually aluminum. Okay, so I found a few drift chassis, and you know what my favorite part about it is they actually have different colors for the body, like the chassis itself. This is purple carbon. This is pink carbon, which is what I'm looking at because this is so cute. So let's go ahead and take this out and see what's inside of it. This is just epic. So the model is Sakura D6. Now the issue is that the ones that I want are usually around like $200, and I don't know if I should be spending $220 on just the drift chassis because then it's gonna get awfully expensive. What I didn't notice is these chassis are actually right here. So you can tell it has pretty good steering angle if I can zoom in. And honestly, after doing the conversion, it comes out to like $110 for just the drift chassis. So I feel like if we actually go ahead and buy some aluminum parts at the side, we can go ahead and swap those individual features out. I think it's just time to learn. You know what? Even though I have like 13 cars that are broken right now, we can go ahead and just start a new project. Woohoo! Okay, but how awesome is it that my first real RC car is from Japan? Well, will be from Japan. There's just so many options, guys. Guys, these wheels, these are awesome. So I actually ended up going with the Smart 5 Supra. Johnny Grunwald here.
You know, buying RC drift cars, no big deal.
All bad habits need a friend that also makes bad choices. All right, so I got a Pandem GR Supra Drift Edition, the little rookie drift one. Solid $220, which is not that bad at all. Johnny, what did you get?
I got some crazy Yokomo body with a bunch of all the tools and all the fun stuff to get it going. It was like $700, but worth it.
You got all the tools too?
All the stuff for the whole craziness.
Yeah.
I already have a body, but this is like what we need to get it going.
Essentially, we have a basic knowledge of RC cars. Johnny already has.
Experts soon.
We're gonna be experts soon. Catch us in like, give us 3 months on tops.
Yes. We'll be tandeming, I promise.
Aluminum chassis and everything, guys. We're not there yet. We're a work in progress. We're professionals in the making, if one may say.
And we're in Japan, so we had to get them while we're here.
Yeah, like, how iconic is that? Both me and Johnny both have RC cars from Japan now. Yep. Technically our first RC cars, because you already have a body. What body do you have?
I have the FD. So this guy, 310 Yoshimi, he makes all the cool like replicas of Mad Mike's car. He made my car too. So I have it, and I'm like, you know what? I want to finally drive it. So yeah.
Annie laying
is a bad influence.
Bringing dust upon its. Oh, come on. Give it like a month, and his entire like room and garage.
Is the best influence.
Experience is that we're about to go to Tantam, which is a different store, and they also have diecast and they have airsoft, which is really cool. So.
Long story short, we're gonna end up buying more stuff. Pretty much.
All right, we've arrived, and my camera's running out of batteries. We have Liberty Walk. Wow, I smell Liberty Walk out. Like not even funny. There's so many different. This is like probably way bigger than the first store, but there's like way more options. There's diecast and model cars and stuff. Yeah.